6237 Red Robin Road is a beautiful picturesque mountain home tucked in the Sierra foothills. Come inside with me and take a look. This charming mountain home boasts 2 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 1 half bath. With updated kitchen flooring, including stainless steel appliances on a picturesque 1.75 acre surrounding scenic view and hiking trails, where you can fully immerse yourself in nature. With a detached 2-car garage, this gem offers plentiful space for recreational vehicles, boats, toy haulers, and more. Private and serene location with close proximity to Placerville, Pollock Pines, Sly Park, and Lake Tahoe. First time on the market, this private escape is a must. Live the good life in El Dorado County, where Mother Nature's playground awaits.